Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, we're gonna check out 8 options you get with the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander LE trim level. So this one here is a gas Mitsubishi Outlander and it's LE trim level. So in Canada, the specs go as follows. Starts with ES, then we have SC, then we have LE. So this would be the third up, and it's got to say it's a really nice trim level. It has a lot of nice options, and we're gonna go one by one discussing all 8 options you get if you upgrade from SC to LE trim level. This one also has beautiful white diamond exterior and an upgraded interior, which is part of those 8 things. So let's get going. First things first, visually, when we look at the vehicle, the difference that jumps out is number one is the 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels. And now on the Outlanders, LE trim level get their own unique trim level. So ESSC will have one wheel, and then LE has this different kind of wheel. And I gotta say, it's a good looking alloy wheel. So this one here is two-tone alloy wheel, 18-inch. So we can see how we have this black part right here, we have silver finishing, and it looks really good. And this two-tone thing gives you this upgraded looks for the vehicle, and it also looks really good together with everything else we have going on with the Outlander, like chrome right here, black grille, dark details, black details throughout the vehicle, chrome details. So overall, this just looks really nice. So that would be the biggest difference, how you can tell the trim level by not going inside and checking it out, is the wheels. So LE get their own unique wheels, so very exclusive for that, because once you go up from LE, then you'll have SCL, GT, those will be different wheels, GTP of course as well in the Noir edition, but LE it own wheels. So number 2 is, before we head and check out the interior, is the Mitsubishi Connect with trial included. So that will be that mobile app, so you can download the app, connect it with your car, and then you have access to controls of the car. You can start the engine remotely, cool off or warm up the cabin, and do many of those things. So I will be covering that part in my channel as well, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss out this and all the other videos. So now we covered first 2 things, and the rest is gonna be pretty much once we open the door, then we can see what's what here. So obviously we open the door, and first thing that jumps out are these seats. So Microsuede synthetic leather seats, so that's exclusive to LE trim level. Again, the ESSC will have cloth, and then SCL and above is gonna their leather, but this one here is gonna be the Microsuede synthetic leather seats. To me, I really like these seats. I really like you have this leather right here, and you have this Microsuede inside. So like it looks really cool, and it reminds me of these sporty seats, because a lot of manufacturers who make these sporty trim levels, they opt in for this type of suede interior, and visually it looks really nice and appealing. By the way, look at the size of the panoramic sunroof. So that is alone a huge selling feature. I always like to open the sunroof and just let all the light we can in, especially during the gloomy days like this when there's no direct sunlight. We want to have as much as possible. And by the way, the headliner was all light gray as well, so you have nice and bright feeling in this vehicle when you're inside of it. So let's talk about seats a little bit more. So number 4 is going to be the fact that they're 8-way power driver seats. So we have sliding, reclining, height adjustable, tilt, and lumbar as well, so you can adjust the lumbar. I know for a fact many people value this lumbar option a lot, because we all have different body types, we all have like different needs when it comes to driving around in the vehicle, and the fact that you can adjust your lumbar and height, position, and everything else, this is huge for many people. So keep that in mind. With LE, you have 8-way power driver seat adjusting with sliding, reclining, height adjustable, tilt, and lumbar. So that would be that button here. So the passenger, still manual adjustment when it comes to your driving, but the driver gets spoiled with LE for sure. So let's jump on in. So in LE trim level, we can see we don't have fully digital cluster. So this one is like these old school dials with a bit of a chrome thing going around. I quite like how it looks and how it is. So to me, that is not a negative thing. I quite like that design as well. I really like the startup visual reference. So that to me is very good as well. So number 5 would be the adaptive cruise control. So that will be this button right here. So what you can do is with cruise control, not only you can just set the speed with a typical cruise control, but you can also maintain the distance in the car in front of you. And there's different gaps, so to speak, that you can set. So whatever works for you, you can do that. And then the vehicle automatically is going to adjust that distance from you and the next car. So this one is a super nice feature on the highway drives where you don't want to just pay attention all the time to how close you are to the car. So you just put it adaptive cruise control and off you go. So number 6 is the rear view camera. So we have the multi-view or 360 degree camera. So let's just put it in reverse. And then we see how we have 360 camera right here. So this is whole big backup screen, and this is the bird's eye view. I love this camera a lot. I use it all the time. To me, that's, you know, once you have a car with this kind of option, you just can't go back. So then you immediately missing it, and you know, just a regular backup camera is not enough. So if you think you can appreciate the 360 view backup camera, definitely upgrade to LE trim level. And it also comes with a bunch of other stuff. So you can hear you have the parking sensors beeping, you have the moving object detection, so that one is really cool as well. See, the car was moving right there. They moved this car and it was beeping, so it notified that something is going on. So there's another car moving right there. If it's in that proximity where the sensor is going to catch us, then it's alerting you right away. And I'm planning to do a lot more videos around explaining these hidden features that are actually really unique and really good and very, very helpful. So make sure, again, you subscribe to the channel so I can explain everything that we can see. So that will be number 6. So the 360 camera, or how Mitsubishi calls it, multi-view camera system with moving object detection. So I'm happy that this car was moving and we're able to see it in real life, how it actually works. So number 7, we do have embedded navigation. So the navigation right now is powered by Google. It used to be TomTom, now it's Google, and then you can see it even the gas prices and everything else. So very good navigation. And of course it does have the so you can see the gas prices right here, so they're pretty cheap compared to where they were not too long of time ago. So, and of course you can use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and use the navigation from there, but if you don't want to, you have that here as well. So now embedded navigation with you know, Google, powered by Google. So the last one, number 8, is going to be the Sirius satellite radio. So this vehicle is capable of getting the Sirius satellite radio. And the thing is, you also get 3 months of complimentary service with the Sirius satellite radio. So if you're interested in a Sirius satellite radio, then LE trim level is for you. And again, I know for the fact, not everyone, but many people really like the Sirius satellite radio. And if you're one of them, then definitely this is a trim level for you. So there we go. We just looked at all 8 options you get with the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander LE trim level and gas version. And very quickly again, so those are 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels. Then you have the Mitsubishi Connect app where you can control the vehicle with your app. You have Microsuede special seats. You have 8-way power driver seats, adaptive cruise control, 360 camera, navigation, and the Sirius satellite radio. So there we go. That's what you get if you upgrade. And let's have a quick peek in the vehicle one more time. So this is the second row, and that's the third row hidden right there. So by the way, right now the third row is a solid seat. It used to be a 50-50 split. It was divided, but now it is solid like it was in like it is on the PHEV. So I personally like this better, I think. So now you can fold it like this, and you can, you know, you have a little bit more compartments where, like, you know, your stuff doesn't slide around, but everybody's have their own preferences when it comes to that. So the trunk, we can still close it with the kick motion. So we do the kick motion like this, that closes the trunk. So it's a fancy way how to close it, but I use it a lot. So I use that option very, very often. And once you have it, you get so used to it that you wish every car would have it. So thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you like this LE trim level as much as I do, and see you next time around.